Hey folks, today we're going to be talking about business cards. I know some of you think that business cards have had their day and no one's really using them anymore. That's kind of true, but I'm here to talk about ways that you can actually make a business card really work for you by making it have impact and make a statement. Even in today's digital age, we still need to get across contact details, even if it's just an email address or a website address. So how can we make it so that people want your business card and will actually even maybe want to show your business card off to other people? Well, the way to do that is by using different types of materials, finishes, and if you can, make your business card useful. As it happens, as I was thinking about creating a video about business cards, one of my own business cards has appeared in an article on Creative Block as one of the most innovative business cards of 2018. And it's this business card here, which I think you can see is made from steel. Now, the reason I did that is because I wanted, when I was networking or at conferences and events, I wanted to give people a card that would just wow them, take their breath away. Now, you don't have to go and use metal and have it laser etched. There's lots of different things that you could do to make your card stand out. One of those things would be to choose a different type of paper. Look at all the different types of card and color that there is. It's limitless. You can do so many things with paper. It doesn't have to just be white with colored ink. Here's a few more business cards which are a bit more unusual and something that really is going to grab your attention. We've got this one here which is like a cheese grater, and it's really unusual, and I know that, like my card where it's useful, people will get home and try and grate some cheese or maybe grate an orange and try and get some rind off of it. We've got this one here as well, which is for a yoga instructor, where their business card is actually printed onto a piece of rubber and you can roll it up like a roll mat. And what about this one here? You take the card apart and you can turn it into a chair and you can still see all of the details on that card. Now, obviously, these types of cards do cost more than your typical standard basic business card. But even if your business cards do cost more, they are probably going to be way more effective in keeping your brand or business front of mind. I have clients and I have friends who keep my business card in their wallet or bag and show it to other people. And I have had clients come to me because someone else has shown them my business card. So my challenge to you today is to think differently about a business card. How can you make it useful? How can you make it stand out in your industry? If everyone else is just using bog standard plain business cards, what types of finishes, what types of materials could you use? And can you create something that someone's going to want to keep and show to other people? So I hope this video has given you some food for thought when it comes to business cards. If you've got a really unusual business card, then I'd love to see it. Send me a message over on Twitter @PixelsCall with a photograph of your card. One last thing to ask is, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up or a like, subscribe to my channel, and once you do, click that little bell icon and you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. And until I see you next time, stay creative, folks.